Bro, what are you doing, you heifer?
Bye.
No shade.
Oh, thank you.
So this lady's angry at me, not entirely sure why. I guess she wanted me to slow down, slam on brakes for her to merge over. I guess that's how this works now.
There goes my eggs.
Dude, there's plenty of reasons to hit a woman. You just don't do it. But to sit there and suggest that there's no reason. Build up, you just left with the act. How are you going to solve it if you don't figure it out?
Look how awkward it is in here right now.
I said you shouldn't hit a woman. I'm just saying, how come you can't ask questions? You can only ask questions about what the guy did. You can never ask about the woman. Why is that?
Someone had just gone around.
Why is that? What is that?
I understand, but I was in line. Why would you cut me in line in the drive-thru?
But
What is
there was
that?
a
Are you the
car
idiot who
gap.
got up?
Because you block those people getting out and then nobody can move. Pay attention to what you're doing. Because you block the people getting... No, if you get people getting out of the drive-thru, you can't go anywhere if you stop in front of them. Prat.
Hello there.
Poor kids are just as bright and just as talented as white kids.
I tell you, if you have a problem figuring out whether you're for me or Trump, then you ain't black.
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
It's white kids. I tell you, if you have a problem figuring out whether you're for me or Trump, then you ain't black.
There, and standing with them was a man from hotel security, and he reminded me of a man from the greatest television show ever produced.
And he reminded me of a man from the greatest television.
What? God.
Seats in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars.
I know I had it coming. I know I can't be.
Oh. Well, wonderful. Please don't hit me. Swear to God, I can see you. I was trying to figure out where you're going. What are you? I'm no problem. You're just driving in 2 lanes like you're a semi truck.
Okay, but the thing is blocked up back there.
Okay, then use a signal like you are supposed to do.
I don't have to use a signal.
Fine, how are you?
I'm fine. 762, I'll be better when I knock this girl out of here.
What happened?
Huh?
So what happened?
She yelling like she got kids in here.
Oh.
I'm like, everything in the box. I'm about to knock her out like she a box.
Oh, snap. Darn it. I tried my best not to hit that. Alright, going the better part of 80 miles an hour here. I see traffic in front of me slowing. I get on the brakes, I leave a lot of space, and I put my hazards on. That's what you should do. Help prevents collisions. You do not want to do what this Honda Fit did and slam into the car in front of you. That's what just happened right there. Don't do that. It's going to give you a lot of grief.